This episode is going to be jarring.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Hi everyone, I'm just packaging my honey into jars today. So I have a pouring pail, just a little valve down here which you'll see. I have a heater going behind the pail. You really need to make sure everything's dry before packaging or else your honey will crystallize. So I've tested the quality of my honey with the hydrometer, and I don't pasteurize or heat up my honey to a boiling point. I just warm it just to get it flowing. There we go. My jars have been sterilized and I'm about to get going here. I have a nice light colored honey from Queen June right now, and these are 125 milliliter jars. I price my honey at .032 cents per milliliter. So this one I believe is $5, and I also add $1 for the jar, because normally on average jars cost me $1 a piece. So this is I sell for $5. Remember, when you're packaging anything or working with honey, to keep everything dry. You don't want things to be wet. So everything's been dried. So this will likely just be a jarring episode. It's gonna be jarring. These are 3 different batches. This is why I like to keep them separate. So this one's really fruity. This one was a later one because the box was on top, and it's really rich, sweet, and kind of grapefruit, my husband describes it as. And then this one's really florally. So it's interesting because this one's pretty much white honey, and we have like an amber, and then like a midway there. It's just crazy the difference you can get.